Here, girl. Turn your wheels. Bryce, what do you got to say?
Say we're gonna get this, man, if we don't mess it up. You're good. Keep going. Like you're good. You're gonna get it. Sorry, let me get out of your way. Hey, we're clearing to the ramp. Into the ramp, yeah? Keep going. No. That's right. Into the ramp. Into the ramp. Other way. There you go. Come forward now. You're on the ground again. Right now, that's all you got. You know, yeah, 470, yeah. I've been waiting to hear that.
What do you get?
470.
470.
500. 470.
We're going to start with the third place machine. I want you guys to come over on this side of the ramp as I call your name. So, third place, Jim with 344. Jim. Where's Jim at? We got Jim somewhere. Jim, come over here. Stand right there, Chad.
Let's go.
Dan, our just get in front of here. Picture of you, Jim. Right there. This is third place, Jim. 44, third place, right there. Okay. Then next, Tim, second place, 352. Okay. And first place, 2026. Moab Redrok competition by NRG off-road is Bryce with 470. 470.
Thank you.
Thank you. Everybody look over together.
Hell yeah.
You know how much that trophy cost?
Yeah, I do.
Proud dad moment though.
470.
470? Nice.
55 inches, somewhere in there.
Right on, man.
Thanks.